So it's a mechanism for feedback and for me to also, as a manager, communicate your performance back to you. How are you doing? And of course, allows progress to be assessed and helps plan employee development, exactly like what Erin has just mentioned. If we see potential in you, we see capacity in you, we see capability in you, we want to make sure that we help you develop that. Some people say that, oh yeah, you're exploiting me. The positive mindset people, the growth mindset people will then say that, oh, I'm growing. So it depends on the person that you're dealing with, right? So how do you, as a manager or HR, train your managers to make sure that how employees interpret all this so-called doing more for less, so-called, right? It's not just about the money, but it's also for development, right? So that's why we always talk about the what and how, yeah? So below what you see here is just a distinction, right? When we talk about performance management and performance appraisal and blah, 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 because we encounter, why one day you use the word performance management? Why now you say I must do performance appraisal? Appraisal is an activity, right? The one-time activity, whether in mid-year, quarterly, or once a